Hello, first responders, war veterans, and everyday heroes. Thanks for joining me on Ronin on Trail, the YouTube channel for the nomad and the wandering warrior in all of us. Today's video is going to highlight a camping trip at an actual paid site. I live in southern Ontario, and unfortunately, around the middle of October, all the campsites shut down. There's nowhere to go camping after the middle of October, unless you travel 3 or 4 hours north in Ontario to get to Crown Land or BLM land. So I ended up going camping before all the campsites in southern Ontario shut down at a private place close to the Hamilton, Toronto area. I'd like to share with you the campsite, a little bit of hiking and cooking, and it's a precursor for my actual SUV renovation. I'm going to start actually putting in shelves and cupboards and a diesel heater that was donated to me from my good friend Mark. So I hope you'll stick around and join me as a Ronin on Trail.
I need a minute to think, or maybe two. 'Cause yesterday I lost control and said some things I felt that you should know. I need a day to clear my mind and leave it all behind. It's gonna be okay, no matter come what may. I'm gonna set things straight. Tomorrow I let my worries fade, let them sweep away. There'll be another day. Tomorrow I keep repeating the same mistakes. I did them all before, in every shade. There's a million ways to mess things up, and I need some time to figure out what to say and make our troubles disappear. Oh, tomorrow's near. It's gonna be okay, no matter come what may. I'm gonna set things straight. Tomorrow, let all our worries fade, let them sweep away. There'll be another day. Tomorrow, oh oh oh, 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 oh oh oh. Tomorrow I will set things straight. Tomorrow's gonna be okay. Let all my troubles go away. Tomorrow it's gonna be okay, no matter come what may. I'm gonna set things straight. Tomorrow, let all our worries fade, let them sweep away. There'll be another day. Tomorrow, it's gonna be okay, no matter come what may. I'm gonna set things straight.